Last year, credit card companies gave away billions of dollars in points, miles, and cash back, and they didn't do it to be generous. Rewards programs exist because they make banks more money than they cost. If you've ever bought something just because it earned points, the program is working exactly as designed on you. Here are the 4 traps inside the points game, and the 5 rules that flip it in your favor. First, follow the money. Every time you swipe, the merchant pays the bank an interchange fee, roughly 2 to 3% of the purchase. That funds part of your rewards. But the real profit engine is interest. Nearly half of American cardholders carry a balance month to month, at an average rate north of 20%. Your 2% in points is the bait. 20+% interest is the hook. Trap 1. Points change how you spend. Study after study shows people spend more when they pay with a card instead of cash. Often 10 to 20% more, sometimes far beyond that. Banks know this. That's why the bonus categories rotate, why the app celebrates every point you earn, and why it's 5% back feels like a reason to buy. Spending $1 to earn 2 cents is not a deal. Trap 2. The balance wipeout. Say you carry a $3,000 balance at 22%. That's about $660 a year in interest. A 2% rewards card on $15,000 of annual spending earns you $300 back. You're not up $300, you're down $360. If you carry a balance, you are not in the rewards game. You're funding it. Trap 3. Points aren't money. The bank sets their value and can change it overnight, and history says the change is never in your favor. Airlines and hotels devalue award charts constantly. Points sitting in your account are a loan you gave the bank at 0%. One they can quietly shrink whenever they want. Hoarding points is saving in a currency that only loses value. Trap 4. Annual fees and breakage. Premium cards charge $95 to nearly $700 a year, betting you won't fully use the credits and perks. And billions of points expire or go unredeemed every year. The industry calls it breakage, and it's pure profit. If you can't name what a card's fee earned you last year, it earned the bank instead. Now the 5 rules that flip the game. 1. Pay your full statement balance on autopay, every month, no exceptions. This single rule decides whether rewards are real. 2. Never buy anything you wouldn't have bought anyway. Points are a rebate, not a reason. 3. If you don't want a hobby, use one flat-rate 2% cashback card and move on. 4. Redeem points regularly. Don't hoard a currency that devalues. 5. Only pay an annual fee you can prove pays for itself. The biggest mistake? Believing you're beating the bank while carrying a balance. No sign-up bonus survives 22% interest. If you have card debt today, stop chasing points completely. Pay the debt down first. That is a guaranteed, tax-free, 20+% return no rewards program on earth can match. So, banks profit when you earn points. You spend more, half of us pay interest, points devalue, and fees plus breakage cover the rest. Flip it. Pay in full on autopay. Never spend for points. Default to flat 2%. Redeem instead of hoarding. And make every fee prove itself. Do that, and the rewards game finally pays you. Subscribe to Never Taught That, the money lessons school skipped. And next time, how $5 fast food meals quietly eat $87,000 out of your retirement.